Alright, so my truck is really testing my patience this weekend. Had to fix a few things. One of them is this little pop-out cup holder no longer functions properly. You can see it's moving in and out, but if you push it all the way in to lock it, you can't to get it to pop back out. Basically, the spring mechanism is broken off on the back side. This is a fairly easy fix, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. First thing, we need to actually remove the assembly. There are going to be two little release clips that we need to actuate with a flathead screwdriver. We have one and two. So basically you just put your screwdriver in, they're pushed down on the tab as you pull out slightly, one on each side, and it releases it. I guess those are plastic. On the bottom side, you got this bulb that's attached in here. There we go. Alright, so you see it's got a couple tabs. Twist that out. Alright. And here is the culprit. We are missing the spring. Fish around down in here for your spring. Probably going to be dropped off in the bottom of your dash there. And basically, it just sits right there. You can see it's kind of a design fail. I guess it lasted 15 years. Let's go to the workbench. Alright, here's my plan of action for getting this fixed pretty easy. Now, if you don't have a riveter, I'm going to rivet mine back in. If you don't have a riveter, this thing's like $19 at Harbor Freight. Get one of those coupon deals or whatever, it'd be even cheaper. But no problem, if you don't have that, you could screw this back in with some screws. You could also epoxy it back in. You know, several different types of epoxies would adhere this metal back into the plastic. Whatever you want to do, I'm going to go with rivet. This thing has worked well for me on many occasions. I'm going to drill using a 1/8 size drill bit so I can use my 1/8 rivets that came with this kit. You can see first we need to clear out these little plastic pieces from, oh, there we go, easy enough. There's one out. And really that hole's a little bit bigger than 1/8, but that's going to be the size that works best for my rivet gun. And right here and here are the two little nubs. Let's get these drilled out. Okay. Let me prop this up. Maybe you can see it on camera. Okay. There's one. Alright, there we go. Again, you could screw into this. You can see the type of room you're dealing with. You could epoxy it. I just wanted to use this riveter again. Let's go get it reinstalled. Alright, don't forget to reinstall your bulb. Line up the tabs and twist it till it locks into place. Kind of hard to see, but there it is. Pretty simple there. Line up your rails and you'll go ahead and push down those tabs again so you can get it reinstalled without breaking them. There we go. There it is. Nice. Back in business. Oh, forgetting one thing. The old change holder, because I'm a non-smoker. Well, there it is. Hopefully it's another easy fix for you out there. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Boom.